This is Google Pixel Watch 3, and today I'll show how you can use the flashlight on this device. So in the beginning, wake your watch up and make sure that you are on the watch face. Now launch the control panel by swiping downwards. Here among the available controls, look for the flashlight icon and then tap on it. Now you can tap at your display to switch between different flashlight modes. For example, first mode was the white flashlight, and this one is red, for example. The camera makes it appear yellow or orange for some reason, but in real life it looks exactly red. Then you can tap on it once again to switch off the flashlight. And once enabled, you can pretty much switch between, two colors, white and red. And as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye-bye.